Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the app so it can do its job. Install Isearching, grant required permissions, and sign in. Once done, verify your account with email or two-factor authentication to avoid later access issues. Next, make sure default search sources and sync are enabled so your bookmarks and history populate automatically. This initial setup speeds result retrieval and prevents missing data. Make sure to accept sync prompts and allow background activity so live indexing works immediately. Now you refine searches to find precise items. Type operators like and, or, minus, and quoted phrases to narrow results. Once you have a base query, apply field filters such as title, site, file type, or date range to cut noise. You can boost relevance with popularity or recency filters and preview results to confirm accuracy before opening files. Once satisfied, save the query as a smart search or folder so you can rerun or automate it. This reduces repetitive work and improves long-term accuracy. Finish by exporting and automating your workflows. Choose CSV, JSON, or shareable links for results and schedule recurring exports. Then set up automations using webhooks, Zapier, or the app's native rules so new matches trigger actions automatically. Once automations run, monitor logs and adjust thresholds. If things go wrong, force a reindex, confirm app permissions and network access, and restart the app. This common fix resolves most indexing or sync failures quickly and gets you back to productive searches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.